Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about natural gloves. What are natural gloves? Natural gloves are made of natural latex as the main raw material. Adding zinc oxide, sulfur, accelerant, anti-aging additives. After vulcanization, film washing, dipping, high temperature baking and other processes. The detailed production process video is on my YouTube page. Check out the previous videos. Natural gloves contain no protein, have no allergic reaction to human skin, are non-toxic, harmless, durable, good adhesion, and are the most people's work and life protection choice. How to distinguish natural gloves? On the table you can see several kinds of gloves of various colors. Natural gloves because natural latex, natural yellow. In the preparation of raw materials, we'll add pigment to change the color. The result is a variety of natural gloves on the market today. So it's basically colored disposable gloves, which basically rule out latex gloves. Natural gloves and PVC gloves will have added pigment. So colored gloves, either natural gloves or PVC gloves. And then feel the texture. Natural gloves are harder than latex gloves and softer than PVC gloves. Natural gloves can be set to take the advantages of latex gloves and PVC gloves together. Then you measure the tension. Natural gloves and latex gloves are elastic. Let me show you. The pull of natural gloves is very good. Latex gloves pull even better than natural gloves. PVC gloves are not elastic. So tension is also the most direct way to tell what glove it is right. To introduce the advantages of natural gloves. The biggest advantage of natural gloves is that they have no protein content. Which is not allergic to human skin and is harmless to human beings. Moreover, natural gloves have good degradation performance and will not cause pollution to the environment. Natural gloves are essential hand protection products to prevent cross-infection. This is why most people choose natural gloves. Natural gloves are widely used in domestic work. Electronics, chemical, aquatic products, food and other factory protection, hospital, scientific research and other industries. Nitrile gloves can be worn on both the left and right hands. Made of 100% natural latex. The main properties are puncture resistance, oil resistance and solvent resistance, and surface treatment to avoid the use of sliding appliances. High tensile strength avoids tearing when wearing. After powder-free treatment. Easy to wear. Effectively blocks skin allergy caused by powder. That's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.